We're going to create a recipe for this tomato pack, which is the same size as a K37. Three. Target is 11. Enter. And then 3, 11, copy it over. Right, we're happy with all the configuration because it's the same as the K37. That's the same. Finish. There's 5 pieces in a row. Product length is approximately 100. Push the parameter. We're going to do a row quantity of 2, and the product width is 175. Now the z-axis, this punnet height is 50, but we go slightly lower to allow for the compression of the cups, so I'm going to make it 45. Enter. Now everything is there. I'll go back to the home screen.